right, check my one, please.
Alright, let me check it. So guys, we have 3x plus 2y equal minus 1 and 2x minus y equal minus 3. So if you look, none of them coefficients are the same, so we can just multiply and bring it. But to get rid of y, since the numbers are smaller, because this is a bit 1, so we are going to multiply equation 1 by 1 and equation 2 by 2. That way, when we multiply, we're going to get 2y in front of both of them. 1 times anything and anything, so 1 times 3x, 3x, 1 times 2y, 2y, and 1 times negative 1, negative 1. Move on to the second bracket. 2 times 2, that's 4. 2 times negative 1y, that's negative 2y. So I multiply, both are of 2 now, right? When the signs are different, coefficient the same, we add. Don't forget that. So we're going to add the equation. So it's going to be 3x plus 4x equal to negative 1. Remember, this is going to be 0 plus minus 6. Both of them are negative, so that's negative 7. And then, of course, we divide by positive 7. So therefore, x is equal to minus 1. Now that we know say x are negative 1, we can use any one equation. Now we use equation 2. Like anyway, see x, you replace it with negative 1, right? So 2 times negative 1, that's minus 2. Sorry. So minus 2 minus y equal 3. No, so something alright. Let me just find x, right? Yeah. So this is minus 2. Oh, this is supposed to be minus 3. So we're going to add 2 to both sides. Come on, wonder why it looks so funny. So minus y equal negative 3 plus that's going to give us minus 1. But then we divide by negative 1. So 1 cancel. Negative 1 into negative 1 give you a positive 1. So x a negative 1 and y positive 1. Alright, let me check out. Next, somebody doesn't check out here. So let's see. Get it there. Alright, let's try another. Everybody finish? We can just try next one. What am I plus? 1 or 2. Same thing basically, just multiply by 2 and 1, right? 2, 5 or 10. 2 times y, 2y, and 2, 4 is 8. Now we multiply by 1. 1 times 3x, 3x. 1 times 2y, 2y. 1 times 1, 1. Alright, subtract because both positive. How easy it is. 10x minus 3x. That will go on to 0. And then we have 8 minus 1. So it's 7x equals 7. Boom. Find y x already. X equal 1. Somebody sent to use a different color over here, so I'm not going to do that. So we're going to take me like equation 1, so 5x plus y equal 4. We know that the value of x is 1, so anywhere we say x, you're going to replace it with 1. So 5 ones 5 plus y equal 4. So now we minus 5 from both sides. So y equal -1.
So what I can't get is the when you reach down to the end, you have 10x minus 3x. How you come by? Because that's where I messed up.
All right. That means you didn't have the rule. The rule says when the signs are the same, we subtract. Meaning, because both of them are +2, it's like you're trying to get it to be 0. Which sign you can put there if you get eliminate y, make y be 0. We can't put plus, only minus, right? 2y minus y. So everything, you have to do it for everything. So that's why we put the minus here. Because you have to do it for all of them. Anything you do for one, you have to do for all. That's the definition of an equation. Anything you do for one, you have to do for all.
Okay, understand now, sir.
If the signs are different and you bring them to the same, then you have to add. So it's just about eliminating one, because you can't find both of them one time. All right. So make note and make we look at the next one. The mode. So x plus y equal 10 and 2x plus 3y equal 23. What's the value of x? What's the value of y? So we could take on the x this time. No, it don't matter. We could take on the y. So we're going to multiply this by 3 and this by 1. Because that's a 1y, right? So 1. All right. So 3 times x, 3x. 3 times y, 3y, and 3 times 10, 30. 1 times 2x, 2x. 1 times 3y, 3y. Someone was saying y a subtract because both are positive. So in order to get it to be 0, subtract. Alright. But remember equation, so you have to subtract everything. So 3x minus 2x, this is 0, as we talked about it, and this now 23. So 3x minus 2x, that is going to give us 1x. So we already get x equals 7. And then now we solve. X plus y equal 10. So 7 plus y equal 10. Subtract 7 from both sides. So we have 10 minus 7. So y equal 3. So x are 7, y are 3. 7 plus 3, 10. 2, 7, 14. Plus 3, 3 is 9. That's 23. Guys, it have to work with two equations, Can't work for one. It have to work with two of them. Whatever you get to the answer when you plug it in, it have to work with two equations. So you have to get the 10 and you have to get the 23. If you can't get both of them, check again. That's how the beauty of it.
Sir,
Yeah, man, go ahead.
I was looking at mine and said it wrong, but then I realized that I found Y first.
Yeah, yeah, I don't matter which one you found first. As long as you do it,
Y,
yeah,
then
yeah,
X.
that is it. As long as it's sound, then it would have been correct. Alright? Alright. Guys, gonna give you another minute and then we move on. All we need to do is just replace the x with the 5, right? Because they want the output, so the 5 would be the input. So when we put input 5, what do we get? So x plus 4, we replace, just as we replace the x here, is 5 plus 4. So 5 plus 4, 9. Believe it or not,
Sir,
sometimes 6, you do it as simple as that. Go ahead.
the 5. How did you get the 5?
No, man, that's the question.
Oh, that's the question, all right.
Yeah. I did say it, suppose you wanted to find F5. You guys,
Sir, this topic look easy though. I like this one.
it is easy. But it's the easiest format still. So, alright, try F3, guys. Same function. Just want to see if everybody have the idea. Come on. Yeah, Trisha, that's it. Yeah, Johnny. Yeah, Rashawn. Yes, Sky. Alright, so we have the idea. Yeah, Top Boy.
Sir,
Yeah, Brittany. Go ahead.
so anyway, we see, um, in- all right.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, go
like, over
substitute
here,
X.
so we can substitute x with the number that's in bracket.
Correct. That's literally X. And
Oh,
do whatever operation them say. As we say, it's gonna get a little more challenging as we go along, but I know nothing for same like substitution. Correct. K, yeah, gray, that's it. Alright, so we have the idea. So we just replace X. So it will be 3 plus 4, which is equal to 7. Easy as that. So that's F3. So that's one good that in the function. Alright, what if they give us something like this? Does it change anything? Don't change much. Alright, so I'm going to call this example 2. What if we have 2x minus 5 and this is the function g of x? Let's see they ask us to find g negative 1. This is where the problem comes in. Whenever they plug in a negative, students tend to panic. There's no need to panic. All we do is substitute the value. Anywhere we see x, put the value. And then we do the operation. Beside, like 2x means 2 times x, that it means. So we're going to say 2 times negative 1, which is minus 2. Remember, positive times a negative, negative. And then we minus 5. So both of them negative, we add them, and we get negative 7. You guys, when I finish, try G2. Yeah, Trisha, that's it. Yes, Sky, that's it. Well done. Yeah, Melissa, that's it. You, General. Yo, you know, sir, 9 o'clock class I don't do, bro. When I try to show it back to the book, I get you. Correct, Archer. Eh? Them we never get a ride, man, so we never go that, brother. Correct, K. Oh, see? Party did it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. If you want, you can show up at 9 o'clock, you know. I'm gonna try to show you back in the day when we done the morning class, so I know that it. Oh, all right, bro. Yeah, yeah, respect. Correct, Amaya. Good job, good job. Correct, Mary. All right. Correct, Ramona. All right, let's go. Yeah, Kimani. Good job. All right, so all we do is substituting. Anywhere we see x, we're going to put 2. So it's 2 times 2 minus 5. 2 2 is 4 minus 5, so that's minus 1. And that is our answer. Alright guys, so make this thing get more regular now, alright? Alright, what if we have this? F of x is equal to x squared minus 3, and they ask us to find f. I'm going to say f2. Same procedure, right? We replace the x with 2, since 2 don't set at the input. 2 2 is 4 minus 3, which is 1. What if they say f minus 2? Same thing, minus 2 squared minus 3. Now, once a number is squared, it's automatically be positive. So it's still 1. Make a note of that, guys.
You said once you square a negative number, it automatically becomes positive.
Definitely. Because negative times negative is positive, and positive times positive is positive. And when a number is squared, it's the number multiplied by itself.
Okay. I'm sure I learned it on the bird, please, because you can play music in the background.
And you're the first, that's it. I could use the other side, you guys. Find G minus 4. Yes, Kai.
Sir,
Yeah, man, go ahead.
so F2 inverse system, right? Or no
Yeah,
function.
man. And I
Equal.
inverse this. When I reach inverse then.
All right, so 2 to the power of 2 equal 4 minus 3. We see the equal sign, and we see one arrow go down to the other one.
No, man, hold on. See, answer here, that means that this one done.
Oh, cause me the one that show me see the little arrow. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, alright, my bad. Just rub off. Basically, it's a function from up here I use. Just the F function. Alright, Johnny. Alright, Sharky. Yeah, Yaki. Yeah, Trisha. Yeah, Amaya. Well done, Mary. Well done, Archer. Yeah, Anthony. Alright, guys. You see, some little minor errors. I can fix that, right? When a number is squared, it means a number multiplied by itself. So it's minus 4 squared plus 2. So this means minus 4 multiplied by minus 4 plus 2. Negative times negative, positive. I just said it. Person still put a negative there. So it's actually positive 16 plus 2. We have to be very careful with signing, guys. Let's avoid that's correct. Look on it carefully, alright? Alright, let's go. We also have this type here. We call it quadratic. This is a little bit more challenging. Let's say you wanted to find g minus 3, for example. Same procedure, right? Anywhere we see x, we replace it. So it would be minus 3 squared plus 2 times minus 3 minus 3. This means negative 3 times negative 3, and then 2 times minus 3 minus 3. 3 times 3, 9. Negative times a negative. 2 times negative 3 minus 6 minus 3. 0, right? But I don't know step because sometimes persons just say, oh, me get now. So the same procedure, guys. We substitute and then we do the operations, whatever them say.
Can we get one, sir?
Yeah, man, just give persons time. Yeah. Because, guys, you're not supposed to just write it off, process it as you go along, right?
So you're not giving any sort of annual one?
Not yet, not yet.
Oh, all right.
Mhm. All right. See it here now, guys. Everyone must finish. You might get trouble, Yeah. Have fun with that, guys. Yeah, Trishelle, that is it.
Sorry, check mine. It's a little bit pale. Sorry for that. I don't know if I can see it.
Oh, all right, no problem. All right, Roshan. Good job, Archer. Guys, just tell me if you wanna like it. You wanna know what I like it. Okay. You're married, that's correct.
You said something, sir?
I said, wanna just tell me so I wanna like that one here, so why I wanna know what I like it again? Oh, go on. Whatever. Correct, Kimani.
Sorry, check mine, please.
That's one issue. I see your one here. So check that one first. Guys, me see them, I have a whole of them front time. Yeah, Melissa, correct.
Is maths related to chess? Because this look like you have to think. You have to put on your thinking cap. The two areas related, maths and chess.
No, really.
My God, I can't wait to see the answer for this one.
It's rather easy. Alright, I think I've checked everyone except for two persons. Let me just respond to those two.
We're going to get this one. I have to figure it out.
Can try again because people still are saying, yeah, Amushka. Guys, from day one, I meet you say, guys, we have to get the signs right. Once the signs right, every topic will be a breeze. If we struggle with the sign, we will have fit to do all four operation, multiply, divide, add, and subtract. We have a forever struggle.
I'll figure it out, sir.
Alright. Alrighty, so I've done all of them. I'm gonna do one more. So we have x squared minus 2x minus 1. Look how easy it is, right? We replace the x with negative 1. So anywhere we see x, you're going to replace it with negative 1. Amaya say mean. Yeah, Amaya, correct. Alright. Good job, Amaya. Alright, back to reality now. Yes, try, that's it. So, negative 1 times negative 1. Negative 2 times negative 1. This is going to give us positive 1. The rule say negative times negative positive. So this is going to become 2 minus 1, which is 3 minus 1. 2. Very easy, guys. Very easy.
Sir,
But sir, I put positive
sir.
2 and you said it was wrong.
Okay, minus 2. Somebody might on, man.
Hear me, sir? Mr.
Alright,
Dennis,
try that one here, guys.
Sir,
Yeah, Brittany.
that means at the top, the one I'm missing your first, you right. Or you never write the number 2.
Where you have minus 2?
No, 1 minus 3 would that equal to the 2.
No, man, watch out. Guys, we are mathematician, we can't say that. This different from this. This are minus 2, this are positive 2.
Screen mode.
Yeah.
Sir, see if I'm on the right track, please, or I need to wheel and come again.
No man, just say it. Look one. Yeah, Trishelle. Good job. Correct, Roshan. Correct, Amushka. Correct, Paula. Capone again. Correct, yeah. Correct, Capone. No, and correct, Janelle. Yeah, Amaya. Well done, Mishka. Oh, unknown. That's a real name, unknown. My call your mother call you unknown to No, no, you won't. Yeah, me not come, me not come. I go half an hour now to us. Just mark off someone. Correct, Gray. That's your key. Yet boy, that's it. That's not answer for that one, man. Guys, put in the answer so that correct, Archer. Correct, Marshall. Correct, Anthony. Good job, Mason. All right, guys. So put in -2 wherever we see x. Negative times negative, positive, right? But positive times negative, negative. So +4 minus 4 minus 5. we can say this is going to be 0 minus 5, which is equal to negative 5. Alright, one more.
Explain this one again, sir. This one here.
Which one?
All right, we process it. I process it and I screenshot it.
Oh. Alright, so remember negative times negative is a positive, and a positive times negative, negative, right? So it's like you have 4 minus 9. Anyway, look at it, it's gonna be the same. We have 25 minutes, guys. We could use it. It's when it gets really, really complicated. Try that one here. Let's see how well you guys could manipulate yourself. Here, Sean, that's it. Here, Paula. Here, Trisha. Archer. Well done, Anushka. All right, Melissa. It's Shavino. Alright, come on. Well done. Yeah, Anthony, good job. Alright, Kimani. Alright, Janelle. One more free night, guys, and then well, move on. We end class. Next week, now we look on a composite. Sunday, at least. So everybody try to be there Sunday, please.
What is Sunday topic, sir?
Same topic, but we're going to look at composite. And it's a
Okay.
process of combining two or more. It used to be two or more, but CXC cut it down to just two now. So, it's kind of happy for you guys because you don't have to learn, like, because it used to get crowny with the three of them, but they cut it down to two. So you're not going to test us on everything. All right, there's a one more we do after this, guys. Anyway, everybody done, and that's what we are doing. One thing you have to know about this, though, you see, we have to do the power part first. We have to square one and say 1, and then we times it by 2. Let me put this here, so hold on. So that means 2 ones 2, 3 times 2. No, 3 times 1, that's a positive 3, right? Negative times negative. So that gives a total of 6. Alright, so the last one, guys. Let's see if everybody can get this. Wherever we cut off, I just right there. Next class now, we look at this. Because it's gonna be Sunday, right? So look at something like this. Very nice maths, this, guys. As somebody said. I'm gonna look at something like this. We are combine F and G. And the rule says you write back the last function. Like how F are last, you write it back first. So that'll be 3x plus 5. Anybody who follow on TikTok, they must know this. Be this made from here. And then now you combine. So this is going to be a x. You're going to write back 6x minus 1. This is x already. So 6x minus 1. And you multiply 6 3 is 18. 6 5 30 minus 1. So that's what I get. 18x plus 29. So basically, yeah.
A
So that one
composite,
for the next class.
a composite one that, sir.
Yeah, you combine 2 or more. But as I say, 6, you cut it down to 2.
Okay.
They make it a little bit easier. One time you could have 3 functions to combine, but they cut it down to 2 now, which is good. Alright, so let's do this one. I call it a night, alright? That's it. Multiple choices, Calm, guys, calm. Next week, everybody will share along this with ease. Yeah, yes. Yeah, Trisha, that's it. Yeah, unknown. That is it. Yeah, Amaya, that is it. Yeah, Paula. Yeah, Rashawn, that's it. Yeah, Melissa, that's it. All right, Yakini. Everybody that tell me no. Yeah, Archer, that's it. Yeah, boy. Yeah, Antoinette. All right, Marshall. All right, guys, let's go through it and get some rest. All right, so it says f of x. More about this off whiteboard.
So you can check mine, please.
Good time. And I want class done. All right, so we're supposed to plug negative 3 for x, right? So this is how we set it up. So according to the rule, we have to put the power part first. So it will be negative 3 times negative 3, that's positive 9. So guess what? Negative times positive, negative. Both of them negative, so we add and keep a negative. Alright, so I hit that tonight, guys. Everybody get some rest and see you guys on Sunday.
Sir,
Yeah, Marsha.
no, Melissa.
Oh, Melissa. Oh.
Did you, I wasn't here on Sunday. Did you, video record, Sunday work?
Yeah, I did. I thought about
But,
yesterday.
you're not post it on YouTube, as it?
I doubt it. Was me not, yeah, it probably not there, man.
19 and you don't mark it right. Oh, a negative 19.
Alright.
All right. Okay. I see where I went wrong. Oh,
All
Lord.
right.
Alright, take care.
I don't go too far from the mark, though. That's good. But if me give 60, that them are gonna give me wrong. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Night, sir.
Good night. Take care. Alright.
Night,
Good night, sir.
everyone. Sir,
Alright,
sir,
guys.
send
Take
you a
care.
message.
Eh?
I sent you a WhatsApp message.
Okay, okay. Alright. I'm not reading. Let me respond, man. I'm up.